Hey y'all, in today's video we're making our southern cornbread dressing recipe. This is one of the most common things you'll find on your Thanksgiving and Christmas table. Y'all come on and join us in the kitchen as we share this recipe. Hey y'all, welcome back to Small Town Southern Wife. Today I'm doing dressing and I wanted to share this recipe with y'all to show you how we do our dressing. A lot of people cook dressing in all different kinds of ways, but down here in the South, this is how we make our dressing, so I was going to share it with you. Some of y'all might decide you want to make it for the holidays, so come on and let me show you what it's going to take. Okay, everybody, this is what you're going to need for your dressing. You're going to need 6 cups of breadcrumbs, biscuit crumbs, and then you're going to need 6 cups of cornbread crumbs, 2 cups of dried onions, 1 cup of pork rinds, crumbled up and mashed, 4 cans of chicken broth, 1 can of cream of chicken, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, and 2 tablespoons of rubbed sage, and 3 eggs, and a little oil to spray your pan with. So that's all the ingredients. So let me turn y'all around here and we'll show you how we're going to mix it up. Okay. First, we're going to add our breadcrumbs. That's our biscuit breadcrumbs. And then here's our cornbread, and each of those are 6 cups. And then I'm going to add my 2 cups of onions. One cup of pork rinds. And then the 1 can of cream of chicken. The black pepper. The salt. The rubbed sage. The onion powder. And then my 3 eggs. Put my shells right there. Oh, that black pepper's strong, isn't it? And then we're going to add our chicken broth in there. And now all that bread will start soaking up that chicken broth. Take this one out and I'll use my spatula.
Happy fall, y'all.
And then just start mixing it. And it takes a little bit to get it mixed up, and all that bread starts soaking up all your liquid. I'll get it mixed up and bring y'all back. Okay, I about got it mixed up. And then we're going to get our pan over here, our bread pan, and get it sprayed good. And get it put in the pan and ready to bake. Get your pan sprayed real good. And preheat your oven to 350. And then we're just going to pour our dressing in the bread pan. I got a little helper in here with me today. As soon as I get this in the oven, I'll show y'all her. And it ain't Haley. It's Penny. It's one of our grandkids. our grand doggies. Move it down so y'all can see. Haley, did you think all that was going to fit in that pan?
No, I didn't.
Look at there.
I was really worried about it, actually.
We've got that recipe down to the measurements. And this pan is a 12 by 17 by 1 inch for that amount of recipe if y'all want to get you a pan like this. Okay, now we're fixing to put it in the oven for 1 hour on 350. Okay, y'all, it's been cooking for 1 hour. Now let's take it out and check it. You want to do your dressing just the same as you do a cake. You can use a toothpick to make sure it's done, and the toothpick should come out clean. And now we're going to cut it. Down here in the South, we do dressing. Some people do stuffing, but around here in the South, we all have grown up knowing how to do homemade dressing. Look how pretty that's turned out. It's not dry. It's just right. This right here is going to go great with some giblet gravy and your turkey on Thanksgiving Day. And it's great for Christmas and any time of year. Thanks for watching.